Basic proportionality theorem. Theorem. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Given in triangle ABC, line L is parallel to line BC and line L intersects AB and AC in point P and Q, respectively. To prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Construction. Draw segment PC and segment BQ. Proof. Triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. Equation 1. Areas proportionate to bases. And therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. Equation 2. Areas proportionate to bases. Segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. Equation 3. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC from equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC from equation 1 and equation 2. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. In figure, line L intersects the side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in the points P and Q respectively, and AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Hence, line L is parallel to segment BC. Let us consider that line L is not parallel to the side BC. Then there must be another line passing through P which is parallel to the side BC. Let line PK be that line. Line PK intersects the side AC at K. So, A, K and C are collinear point. In triangle ABC, line PK is parallel to side BC. AP upon PB is equal to AK upon KC. Equation 1. As per basic proportionality theorem. But AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Equation 2. Given. Therefore, AK upon KC is equal to AQ upon QC from equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, AK plus KC upon KC is equal to AQ plus QC upon QC by componendo. Therefore, AC upon KC is equal to AC upon QC. So, AKC and AQC are collinear point. Therefore, KC is equal to QC. Therefore, the points K and Q are not different. Therefore, line PK and line PQ coincide. Therefore, line PQ is parallel side BC. Therefore, line L parallel side BC. Hence, the converse of basic proportionality theorem proved. Angle ABC. Bisect angle B and name the point of intersection of AC and the angle bisector as D. Measure the sides. AB is equal to dash centimeters. BC is equal to dash centimeters. AD is equal to dash centimeters. DC is equal to dash centimeters. Solution. AB is equal to 4 centimeters. BC is equal to 7.2 centimeters. AD is equal to 2 centimeters. DC is equal to 3.6 centimeters. Find ratios AB upon BC and AD upon DC. Answer: AB upon BC is equal to 4 upon 7.2. After cancellation, we get is equal to 2 upon 3.6 and AD upon DC is equal to 2 upon 3.6. You will find that both the ratios are almost equal. Bisect remaining angles of the triangle and find the ratios as above. You can verify that the ratios are equal. Property of an angle bisecting